then Cassie discovering her strength from everyone.
Yeah, that part was really hilarious. And also, when Harry and Hagrid first met, Hagrid even thought that Dudley was Harry. And he even also turned Dudley into a pig because he was eating Harry's meat. It's so funny.
So right. And I was really amazed when Harry started speaking parcel talk and opened the gate of chamber. So cool. I was so shocked when Tom Riddle revealed that he and Voldemort is the same person. In that part where it gets really intense.
Yes, like when Tom Riddle released the basilisk and started attacking Harry, I was so concerned for Harry that time. But then the Phoenix arrived with a sorting hat and got a Gryffindor's sword. And Harry used it to kill the basilisk. After it, the Phoenix killed their parents and threw them out of chains.
I was glad that Ginny was alive because I thought she was already. What are your thoughts about the prisoners of Azkaban? It was my favorite year from the series. It has a lot of revelations. And in this movie, from knowing that Sirius Black didn't really betray Harry's parents and knowing that Harry's father, Sirius, and what was the name again? Peter and Remus are good old friends, and seeing them transform into a book amazes me. And also, when it was revealed that Ron's pet rat scampered and it was Peter.
Yes, there's really a lot of revelation in this. I really love the part when Harry and Hermione turns back the time to save Buckbeak and Sirius Black, and also the part when Harry successfully conjured the Patronus charm helped Sirius from being killed by the Dementors. Okay, we are already finished with our week 7 lessons. So today I want you guys to watch TED Talk on YouTube. So after that, you can create your own TED Talk with a duration of 5 minutes that will be presented by next week. And also remember the activity that I gave you last time. You will pass it to me by next week together with the performance of the TED Talk so that you can guys have a preparation for your TED. Understood? Yes. Next is Thank you.
Bye guys!
Bye guys! My favorite one is Goblins of Fire.
Oh, that's nice.
Did you guys get anything from the lesson earlier? Yes, of course. Let's remind me that.
The Goblins of Fire.
Yeah. You guys went early today. Did you guys plan to hang out before going to school too?
Hang out? What do you mean hang out? You guys didn't come here early to hang out. Then, what is the reason?
Don't you guys know the agenda for today?
Yeah, don't you know that we have TED Talk later in our proposing com?
And after it, we will also pass the last written activity that Miss gave us today.
What? We didn't know.
What? Our prof announced it last meeting. She even clarified if we'll understand her.
Okay, so to be clear, we have 2 activities that are due today. That's TED Talk and the written activities, that's right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, that settles it. You guys go ahead and prepare. We will just get our asses together.
Okay guys,
Bye! Thank you guys!
Bye!
See you!
So, just like me, you also didn't do the activity.
Yeah, we're on the same page because I never thought that the due date would be moved earlier.
So, TED Talk and the written activity, right?
Right, let's talk and eat an activity.
Let's just separate for now, so we don't distract each other while working on it, shall we?
Yeah, good idea. Good luck to us. Isn't that JB?
Yes, that's me. Hey, JB, what are you doing?
Oh no, I'm working on my TED Talk and the written activity.
What? You're only doing it now? But that was assigned to us for like a week now.
Oh yeah, actually, it was my fault because I didn't pay attention to it.
Oh, I see. Anyway, you have to go now. Yep, good luck working on that. Bye! Wow. I hope JB can work it all out.
You know what? I think JB was like that because of this. Because last meeting, I saw them talking to each other non-stop in class.
I see.
What?
Hey Clarice, I'm done. What's with the arrow?
What's with Iron? What is it that I heard about that?
Huh? What? What did you write?
I saw Lorraine and Vanessa, and Dias of the independently. I heard Lorraine said that she worked fast enough with the kids, and it was because of her. So I was talking to you last time, non-stop.
Yes, you mentioned earlier. You would never say
But I did.
so you're not gonna believe me, huh? Clarice, I'm your friend. I wouldn't say such a thing. You know what? Let's go find them and we can know the truth. Let's go. Let's go. Hey Lorraine, hey Janessa.
Yo, what is it?
Just want to clarify something.
About what?
It's about earlier. Doris told me that you mentioned her name while you are passing by. And she told me that I told you guys that she was the reason why I'm crying.
What? I didn't say it like that. I just said last meeting I saw you guys talking to each other non-stop in class.
Yes, that's how I heard it. I even heard my name. And you even said that it was because of me.
I never said it was because of you. And for the record, Therese, if I'm lying, the fact that you guys are cramming the activities earlier is the proof that you are not living. Right? Look at you coming at us like we committed a crime. The hell?
Yo, guys, chill.
Wow. Look at you talking to us like it happens for several times now. At least, I'm not a liar. I guess that's how your parents feel.
Don't even talk to my parents like that.
Stop it already.
Oh wow. You guys, what's happening?
Just a misunderstanding.
Feel free to explain to me what's happening. It is okay. What's the matter?
Why are you guys formed in a circle?
Yeah, what's with all that seriousness?
Nothing, we're just doing something.
Ooh, can we sit with you guys? Maybe we can help.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, the more the merrier.
So earlier today, we just find out that today's the go day for our activities. So we started cramming as soon as we found out. Then I met Lorraine and Vanessa earlier and they see what I'm doing. And I told them why I am only doing it today. And you guys know the reason why.
Yeah, because you two are not busy, alright? And then I heard you and Vanessa talking about us. You even heard me say that Jamie told them not to listen to me. It's like they're having up. Again, I never said that he told that to us. I just said that I think JB is just like that because of you, Clarence. Because I saw you guys talking to each other non-stop in class. See, earlier you only said last time you started talking to each other non-stop. What a liar. Okay, I admit, I lied. But the part where you said that JB told that to us that it was your fault, I never said that. Really? I swear.
Okay guys, it sounds like Rain is being honest. Maybe you just misread the reason.
Yeah.
Remember last time, I told you guys to listen, and I even tried to clarify the announcement.
Yeah, I remember. I appreciate you for that, Evan, and I'm sorry we ignored you.
That's fine.
Anyways, that settled it.
Yeah, I think it's time for you guys to apologize to each other.
We're sorry, guys.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Green, for all of this. Let's forget about that, friends. Alright, now that we are settled, I think it's time for us to go now.
Right, we only have 30 minutes left now to go to school.
Let's go!
Guys!
Come in, guys.
So hard.
So hot outside, oh my god.
Hey guys, we have a good news. What is it? Our girlfriend here, she told us to everyone that she graduated for working before us.
Really?
Really? That would be great. We're gonna have extra time to prepare.
That's right.
Hey guys, can I ask what is your TED talk about?
Tell yours first before we tell ours.
Mine is about divorce.
Oh, okay. Well, mine's about social media.
Mine's about working student. Clarice, what about you?
It's a secret. You will guys find out later.
Girl, you're killing the joy. Anyway, mine's about poverty.
Well, mine's about Harry Potter.
So childish.
I'm so excited to hear what everyone prepared for.
Yes. Anyway, let's get back to preparing now.
Is it just me or everyone starting to get nervous now?
Just shut up and prepare yourself so you won't mess up later.
Right.
How about that?
Hey Shane, sorry to bother you, but I noticed that you're doing your guitar with me.
Ah, yes. I have practice later on my own.
Whoa, you have a band? How come we didn't know? Or am I the only one who doesn't know?
I think heaven only knows since we follow each other in our churches.
If it's okay, can you play us a song on purpose?
I am feeling shy, but I will help.
Yes, I'm waiting for the class to be over. That's right.
Hey, Rich, it's my kapito!
Can I see? Okay, go on, let's do that.
Libre first.
Dad, this is not fun. Dad! It's not fun. Dad, Dad, Dad.
How about this one?
State again. Yeah, she's always like that.
Shut up, guys! I'm concentrating.
Whatever. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, please. Okay, first of all, I really want to say sorry for being 45 minutes late because I forgot something really important at home. So I had to go back. So let's start right away. We are going to start our first agenda for today, which is the TED Talk.
Miss, your hour will be solid.
Thank you so much. So, Mr. Jamie, can you help me move the table over there? Thank you. Okay, so who's gonna be the lucky first performer for our TED Talk? It's gonna be so Clarice.
Good job, girl.
So before we start, let's give Clarice a round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Clarice Jordan Milo. My topic for today is why is it important to listen attentively.
Thank you so much, Nansai. That's all for today.
Whoa, I'm so nervous earlier. Yeah, me too. I'm so nervous that I forget all my words.
I feel you guys.
Even now that we're done, I still feel it.
Anyways, at least it's over now. We did it, guys.
Yes, congrats to us, guys. Yeah.
Oh, where's Shane?
Still here, don't go anywhere. Oh, you brought your guitar today, huh?
Right? Perform one song before you leave, please.
No need for that language. I already asked her earlier and she said yes.
Alright.
I know you're a time I'ma take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. It's life is a movie. Know your love is wild. Oh, your love is wild. That's fine. If you love me, would you say something? If you love me, would you? If you love me, would you say something? If you love me, would you? Love me, would you? If you love me, would you say something? If you love me, would you? If you love me, would you say something? If you love me, would you? Love me, would you? Life is a movie. Oh, your love is fine. Oh, your love is fine. Oh, the sun is the sunrise, and those brown eyes that I wanna bury inside. When we wake up, when we make love, it makes me feel so nice. Feel my water when it's dark in the desert. Will you tell me how to take me